Ever walked into a store, grabbed what you needed, and been out in a flash? Or maybe you've ordered something online and it's arrived quicker than you expected. Behind the scenes of these seamless shopping experiences, there's often powerful software at work, streamlining operations and making life easier for both businesses and customers. Today, we're diving deep into one such software, Lightspeed. What exactly is Lightspeed used for? That's the question we're answering in this video. In today's fast-paced world, businesses, especially in retail and restaurants, need to be agile, efficient, and connected. Think about a busy clothing boutique. They need to manage inventory, process sales, track customer preferences, and even handle online orders, all while providing top-notch customer service. Or consider a bustling restaurant. They're juggling reservations, managing tables, taking orders, processing payments, and keeping track of ingredients, all while ensuring a smooth dining experience. Doing all of this manually is not only incredibly time-consuming but also prone to errors. That's where Lightspeed comes in. Lightspeed is a cloud-based point-of-sale, POS, and commerce platform designed to help businesses of all sizes streamline their operations and improve the customer experience. Think of it as a central hub that connects all the different aspects of a business, from sales and inventory to customer management and reporting. It's an all-in-one solution that empowers businesses to work smarter, not harder. So, what are the specific ways Lightspeed is used? Let's break it down. First and foremost, Lightspeed is a powerful point-of-sale system. It allows businesses to process transactions quickly and accurately, whether it's in-store or online. It handles everything from scanning barcodes and calculating totals to accepting payments and printing receipts. But it's more than just a cash register. Lightspeed integrates with various payment processors, allowing businesses to accept a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments. This flexibility is crucial in today's diverse payment landscape. Beyond just processing transactions, Lightspeed offers robust inventory management capabilities. For retailers, this is absolutely essential. Lightspeed allows businesses to track their inventory in real time, so they always know what they have in stock and what needs to be reordered. It can even automate purchase orders, helping businesses avoid stockouts and overstocking. Imagine a clothing store using Lightspeed. They can easily track which sizes and styles are selling well, identify slow-moving items, and adjust their inventory accordingly. This level of inventory control can significantly improve efficiency and profitability. Lightspeed also shines when it comes to customer relationship management, CRM. It allows businesses to collect customer data, such as contact information, purchase history, and preferences. This information can then be used to personalize marketing efforts, offer targeted promotions, and build stronger relationships with customers. For example, a restaurant using Lightspeed can track which dishes a customer orders frequently and then offer them a discount on their favorite meal. This personalized approach can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business. Another key use of Lightspeed is in reporting and analytics. The platform provides businesses with detailed insights into their sales, inventory, customer behavior, and other key metrics. These reports can be used to identify trends, make informed business decisions, and track progress towards goals. Imagine a retailer analyzing their sales data to see which products are performing best during the holiday season. This information can help them optimize their marketing campaigns and ensure they have enough stock to meet demand. Lightspeed isn't just for retail. It's also a popular choice for restaurants. Lightspeed Restaurant offers features specifically designed for the food service industry, such as table management, online ordering, and menu management. It allows restaurants to streamline their operations, improve order accuracy, and provide a better dining experience for their customers. For instance, a busy restaurant can use Lightspeed to manage reservations, track table availability, and ensure that orders are sent to the kitchen quickly and accurately. In addition to retail and restaurants, Lightspeed also caters to other industries, such as golf courses, fitness studios, and e-commerce businesses. Its flexibility and scalability make it a suitable solution for businesses of all sizes, from small boutiques to large multi-location chains. One of the biggest advantages of Lightspeed is its cloud-based architecture. This means that businesses can access their data and manage their operations from anywhere with an internet connection. This is incredibly convenient and allows for greater flexibility. For example, a store owner can check their sales data from their phone while they're on vacation. Lightspeed also offers a wide range of integrations with other business tools, such as accounting software, email marketing platforms, and e-commerce platforms. These integrations allow businesses to connect all their different systems and create a seamless flow of information. For example, a retailer can integrate Lightspeed with their e-commerce platform to automatically sync their inventory and sales data. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it complicated to use? While Lightspeed is a powerful platform, it's designed to be user-friendly. It has an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Lightspeed also offers comprehensive training and support resources to help businesses get up and running quickly. So, to recap, Lightspeed is a comprehensive POS and commerce platform that helps businesses streamline their operations, improve the customer experience, and make data-driven decisions. It's used for everything from processing transactions and managing inventory to tracking customer preferences and generating reports. Whether you're a small boutique owner, a restaurant manager, or the head of a large retail chain, Lightspeed can help you run your business more efficiently and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.